Hello guys, welcome to JM505 Computers from Bangkok, Thailand. Today guys, I'll guide you and I'll teach you how to create a Windows 10 bootable media through a legit software from the Microsoft itself. So let's get started. If you guys are planning to upgrade or install a fresh copy of Windows 10 by yourself on your laptop or PC, this is the legit way to do it. So let's get started now without wasting your time. So guys, before you start, what things you're gonna need, you will need a USB. If you are looking to make a bootable USB for 32-bit system, then you need a 4 GB. If you're making for both, then you need at least a 8 GB USB stick, and you should, of course, you need a SCARE and good internet connection with it. Go to my computer and format your USB before you start all this process. So just right click on options and look for the format option and say start. Okay, it will quickly format your USB. Format complete, say okay, close it, and then go back to the official download page of Windows 10 and then click on this tab, download the tool immediately. Once you click on it, you can see guys here it started downloading. Okay, it's downloaded already. Go and show in folder and double click and open it. Okay, so from here guys, you need to wait for a while as it's getting ready. The things like USB and the file. Okay, once it's ready, it will ask you to accept the agreement of Microsoft. Click accept and wait for a while. Okay guys, from here you have to select the create installation media, USB, DVD or any ISO file for another PC. Just click on this option and click on next. Then from here you need to make sure if you want 32-bit or 64-bit. In my case I need both, so I'll just select both. Okay, once you make sure that what language you want, I need English, so I'll say next. So from here guys, you have to press on the USB flash drive as we are making a bootable USB media. So then click next. Okay, from now it will give you the list of the removable drives. So in my case I have just one, so I'll just click on my USB and I'll say next. Okay guys, once we have completed all these steps, the wizard will download the Windows 10 installation files and it will create the bootable media for you. So once the USB bootable media has been created, you can start your device with the installation media to perform an upgrade or a clean installation of Windows 10. So if you guys like our tutorials and content, please do like us, subscribe us and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the future notification. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.